Tony here with H&H Cycles. Man, it's kind of windy today, huh? Today we have a 2019 Yamaha R6 YZF with under 4,100 miles only. Pristine condition, completely stock with the exception of license plate bracket. Brand new set of tires, fresh oil change done to it. She is ready to rip the streets. If you're looking for your first bike, first time owner, jump on these things, man. Beautiful condition. Comes with 2 set of keys and a code. There are very minimum scratches, light scratches that you can see just by getting on and off. See, there's one right here. There's one right here. It's just by getting on and off on a motorcycle. Stock exhaust. This bike can definitely get louder. Definitely can get louder. $4082 to be exact. Let's hear it. LD motor. Sounds as it should. Shifts as it should. ABS traction control. And for more details, visit us at h8cycles.com, and thank you for watching.